I'm Eric.
And I'm Colby, and we're the engineers who van life, and we sleep sideways.
We chose Flarespace for the full 80 inches east-west inner van. Saves so much space up front. It's a space optimization is what we think about on the daily as engineers.
And the other thing that we got from Flarespace that I would not even think about not doing is the wall panel kits. So they come for the chassis pre-cut. All you have to do is choose the fabric that you want, wrap them and put them up. They put all the thought into like the notches and the corners, and they also, their CNC machine like saves the wood, so there's no waste to how they make them as well, which we love.
There's no templating. No templating.
Templating, yes. Templating your own wall panels. We've done it. Trust us. Not worth the time.
If you're interested in learning how to do this, any of this yourself, check out our blog, www.engineersofvanlife.com.
Also on Instagram at Engineers Who Van Life, all the DIY van building things you could ever need.
Yeah.